back in this thing with another video. Alright, y'all, so this is part 7 to the emoji challenge. As y'all know, she loves doing emojis. Y'all like seeing them, so we're gonna keep doing them. As y'all know, this is the way for her to try new foods. Y'all know it's hard for her to gain weight, so this is a perfect way for her to eat and get the calories that she needs. But we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Are you ready, Lily? Oh, I know you're ready. Oh, what's the first one? What is it? What is
you ready?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
We got your favorite. Got some goldfish. She loves these goldfish, y'all. Want some?
It's good? Mm-hmm.
You done? All done? You want to move on to the next one? Clean up, clean up. Clean up, clean up. Oh.
You ready for the next one?
What is it? We got a banana nut muffin.
Ooh.
She probably gonna take the nuts off, y'all. Let's see. Let's see. You don't like it? You don't like it, Lily?
Oh, man. That's
You want me to take it? You all done? You still looking at it?
She know a rip, that nasty.
You don't want it? Okay, let me get it. It's okay. Let's go to the next one, okay? Thank you. Alright, y'all. This is one of her favorites. Got a cheese stick, y'all. Say thank you. Thumbs up. You good?
Are you ready for the next one?
Y'all done? Is that yummy? Thumbs up.
You ready for the next one?
Alright.
What is it?
What's that? We got an eyeball, y'all. And it has
Something in it.
something in it. You ready, Leah?
What's inside?
Let's see if we can pop it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. Let's see what was inside. Let's see. We got some Oh, some Pop Rocks and some marshmallows. Okay, you want to taste it? Look. Mmm. It's chocolate.
You think it's a toy?
You can bite it. Want mommy to bite it? Let me bite it. Mmm. Mmm. It's chocolate. It's actually really good. What you think?
Is it good or is it?
Is it nasty or is it good? You not sure? Uh-huh. It's some milk? It needs some milk? You want me to get some? Okay, let mommy see again. Maybe I ain't tasted good.
It's nasty.
It's nasty?
Nasty.
I kind of figured she didn't like it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh
It's nasty? She said, oh my goodness.
Try the marshmallow.
Eat the marshmallow. Let's see. Let's try the marshmallows. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's nasty.
Oh, wow.
That's nasty. Yeah, I think all of that's supposed to go in the hot cocoa.
Cocoa?
Yeah, it's supposed to go in that cocoa.
Cocoa?
Mm-hmm. You think it's yummy or nasty?
Nasty.
You want to clean it up? Clean it up?
She like that. Ready for the next one?
What is it?
What is it?
We got her favorite, y'all. We got some green grapes. We're going to cut them in half because y'all know these are choking hazard. Are they yummy? They sweet?
Alright, so if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, turn your post notifications on so you not miss a video from us. And you gonna say bye? Say bye.
Bye.